kay pagsakay ko dito sa jeep with this pilot, my driver, ang mga police officer dito sa Davao. Huwag tagaan ako sa inyo sa balon. So mapigit ako kay ang nakapula daw ginatagaan. Ang bot kung hindi ako nakapula, basta wala akong tagaan. Thank you with all those officers, police officers of Davao. Really, I'm shocked. Natibot kinang ilong good curva. So kasawan ko anay niya. Republic Act 9262. Oh, anti-violence against women and their children, BAUC. So amo ni ang ilagaling nga Criminal Investigation and Protection Group, PNP. So thank you PNP of Davao. Ito ay nagprotektahan ang mga kababayan, kanilang anak mula sa pang-abuso ng kanyang asawa, dating asawa, kasintahan o dating kasintahan, kalipin o dating kalipin. Hindi lahat ng pang-abuso ay physical, hindi lahat ay nakita. Ito ay maring sexual, financial, physical, psychological. So huwag kayong matakot, magsumbong ang kakayahan, ilan ang karasan sa kababayan. Si IDG Hotline of Davao, Camagüey 0995-874-8838 0919-354-2212. Ulitin ko, 0995-874-8838 0919-354-2212. So, this one of my topic in my topic violence against women, anti-violence Act 9262. Yeah, that's physical, material, even psychological, and including also, of course, economic. Although hindi kayo mag-asawa, so actually I don't celebrate Valentine's. For me, life is everyday. Valentine's is a pagan. Pagano na si Valentino. So it's against our faith of God. But love is everyday. It doesn't mean love. It just like my daughter, sister, or so everyday is love day. No need of February 14 that we'll have love. No, hindi na kailangan. So I'm here transversing now. Malagaw-lagaw ang Ilonggo girl. Dira lang sa magsaysay.